Hey guys, in this video I'll be talking about swing rhythms. Swing rhythms is like giving, it's sort of like, rather than counting eighth notes, we would count, okay, well we normally count them, da 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 da, or pronounce them. That's not really counting. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and, well now it's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and basically, rather than having an eighth note equal an eighth note, we set an eighth note to equal an eighth note with a dotted eighth note, plus a 16th note. So now it's da 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 da. That's sort of what it's like, and yeah. Cool, I know. So see you in the next video. Just kidding. This is common for jazz, especially. Very common in jazz. You probably won't be able to do jazz without knowing what swing is. And even if you don't know the term, you probably understand the feeling. I like it. So now these are worth 3/16. One E and a 2E and a 3E and a 4. So if I tap the beats, remember these are worth 3, these are worth 1, 16th, 3, 16th, 1, 16th. So if we're counting, this one is going to take, let me write out the counts for you guys. 1 E and a, 2 E and a, 3 E and a, 4 E and a. This one is going to take 3 of the 16th. If you remember dotted rhythms, add half to whatever it is. So if it's an 18th note, it's going to add a 16th note to its count. If it's a quarter note, it's going to add an eighth note, so it'll become 1.5 beats. So this is going to take 3/16 to count it. So it's going to count 1 E and. That will go to this one. And then the will be the 16th note. 1 E and, 1 E and a, 2 E and a, 3 E and a, 4. When you speed it up, 1 E and a, 2 E and a, 3 E and a, 4. It's hard to count and do both. I'm not very good at this. Hopefully that makes sense. It's a little awkward at first, but you get the hang of it really quickly. So let's make eighth note triplets, and then I'm going to make a little rest there. Rest. Rest. So how would this be counted if there was no rest? Triplet, 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 triplet. If you remember from the last video, well now if we take out the middle triplet, it's triplet, 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 triplet. Sweet, so if we speed it up some, 92 beats a minute. That's basically the concept of a swing pattern. So, if we put triplets in a swing pattern, it fits pretty nicely. So, triplet, 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 triplet. So if we're in swing, we put a rest in between here. That's a rest. These are notes. It'd be da, 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 da. Okay. Hey, let me swap these so it's easier to read. So now we have swing rhythm, da, da, da. But this time there's no rest in there, so we actually count it. Da, 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 da. That's cool. It's triplets with swing fit real nicely. So you may that's basically the difference between versus. Hopefully that makes sense. And in the next video, I'll be going over something really super awesome. So I'll see you then. Thanks. See ya. Bye.